Let's make the Honeysuckler from Kraken Rum. To make this drink then, I'm going to start with the rum. 2 ounces of the Kraken black spiced rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Guess I need another bottle. 1 ounce of lemon juice. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. And 3/4 ounces of honey syrup. And I do make my own honey syrups at home. Recipes here on the channel, I'll link it down below if you want to check it out. 3/4 ounce is 3/4 of an ounce is 22.5 milliliters. And this is a 1-to-1 syrup. Finally, 3 sage leaves. Add my ice, and give it a shake. The recipe does specify double straining that, so that's what I'm going to do. And to get the sage leaf out, it makes sense to double strain, because there's little sage leaf bits floating around. And garnish. The garnish is another sage leaf. And the sage leaves this time of year are pretty tough. It's a little floppy, so I'm just going to float it across the top. And there you have it, the Honeysuckler from Kraken Rum. Drink with good spirits.